cheap nails, helping you stay frugal with nail art. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my cheap Christmas nail essentials. These 8 items will give you the perfect manicure for Christmas. These 8 nail essential items are not in any particular order. One's not better than 8 and 5 not better than 4 and 6 and all that. They're all equally really good. The first 3 items is, of course, Pacific nail polish colors. If you want to do any Christmas manicure, you're gonna need white nail polish. You're gonna need green nail polish. And I absolutely never, ever do Christmas nail art without red nail polish. These 3 colors are essential Christmas nail making, manicure producing items, okay? Like you just need red, green, and white nail polish, okay? Now, these are LA colors. All 3 of these are LA colors, and they're $1 at Dollar Tree. I don't know why I said Dollar Tree. They're $1 at Dollar Tree, and they're $1 at like Dollar General, and they're also $1 at Walmart. In fact, if you don't even want to do a nail design, like design anything on your nails, you can just paint one of your fingers green, one red, one white, and then just differ on from that, and then there you go. So yes, green, white, and red dollar nail polish is definitely a cheap Christmas nail essential. Moving on to the next 2 items is metallic shades. I never knew I needed metallic shades until I got some at Walmart and I did Christmas manicures with them, and I was like, what? This has to be a cheap nail Christmas essential because they are just wonderful. I prefer using metallic white nail polish and also metallic red nail polish. They are beautiful shades, are perfect for the Christmas season, because if you just don't want to like paint your nails with a normal white or a normal red, you want something a little more loud, you can use metallic red or metallic white. This metallic red that I have is Unbreakable Heart from Sally Hansen. I got it at Walmart for $3. And this metallic white is just a Kleancolors metallic white that I got off of Amazon. But I'm guessing you can go to Walmart and they probably have really nice metallic whites for $2, $3, $1. These colors are definitely Christmas nail essentials. Okay, let's move on to the next Christmas nail essential. Okay, the next one is glitter! You know you need glitter for the holidays. Don't try to deny it. Yes, you do. You need it. Any kind of glitter. I use red glitter. You need a glitter polish for the holidays. I don't know what color you like or need, but me, I need a red one. Red glitter. I love this red glitter from Shany's glitter collection. I got it off of Amazon. Now, it doesn't have to specifically be this red one. No, you just need a red glitter polish. I mean, it's beautiful. You just need it. I can't think of anything better than painting my nails red and then putting just some red glitter over them. Like, that would be so quick and easy, and it just makes a beautiful red manicure for Christmas. So yes, a Christmas nail essential is red glitter. Now, maybe you hate red glitter. I don't know. Maybe you want gold glitter. I mean, that could be it. But just Christmas nail essential glitter. For me, red glitter. On to the next Christmas cheap nail essential is, water decals, or other known as nail stickers. You need Christmas water decals. I didn't have them last year because I didn't buy them. I forgot to buy them. I didn't buy them, and I regretted it, because you just need Christmas nail decals. They have all these little things like presents and Santa Claus and snowman and Christmas trees, and they're just adorable, and they are 99 cents on eBay, or if you want to pay, like, I think they're like $5 on Amazon Prime. Like, you can have Christmas nail decals, I'm pretty sure, on Amazon for $5 in 2 days, because it's Amazon Prime, 2-day shipping. So I don't know what you're doing after you watch this video, but if you're gonna do your nails for Christmas, go out and get yourself some Christmas nail decals. because they are adorable and you won't regret it, and you'll put them on your nails and be like, oh, I got Santa on my nails. I got this 12 card piece set off of eBay for 99 cents, and I bought it in October because it was like, I'm getting ready, okay, I'm getting ready. Because anytime you buy anything on eBay, it takes a little while for it to come, but you only pay like 99 cents. So I waited a little while for it, but it's okay because it started in October. And then I got them in November, and then I started getting ready. And now I got Christmas decals for Christmas manicures. Very happy. So definitely a nail essential that I didn't even know I needed, but now that I got them, I know that I need them. Is Christmas nail decals. And on to the very last thing. I wouldn't say this has anything to do with Christmas, but if you're just gonna do your nails in general, I just had to add this. Quick dry nail polish. You don't got time on the Christmas season. You're wrapping gifts, you're getting things, and you're shopping, and you're putting up decorations, and you're visiting your relatives for Christmas, and you just gotta get in, you need quick dry top coat. Yes, quick dry top coat. That is the last thing that I have to tell you about, because it's just a basic essential that you need because you're busy. You're busy on the Christmas season. You don't got time to wait for this top coat to dry for 10 years. You need some quick dry top coat. Now, they sell quick dry top coat at Walmart and all that. I got this one at Dollar Tree for $1, and it works very well, and it dries my nails fast, and I can be out the door. So definitely this quick dry top coat is a nail essential. It's a Christmas nail essential, because you don't got time in the Christmas season to be waiting for your nails to dry. So those are my cheap Christmas nail essentials. I hope you enjoy them. Do you have any of these? Let me know down in the comment section down below. I guarantee that these items will give you a great manicure for Christmas. Don't believe me? Well, click the I button, because I uploaded a video last week on a tutorial using these items, and I made a Christmas manicure with them. That is just one manicure that you can do with these nail essentials. And I will see you next Friday with another Christmas inspired video. Yes, I'm doing Christmas inspired videos all through December. Again, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to put your nail essentials down in the comment section down below. Why do I keep pointing? Why do I keep pointing? Oh, I don't know why I keep pointing. Anyways, I will see you next Friday. Bye. Oh, yes, on my other channel, my second channel that I have, I'm doing Christmas songs. Christmas covers. All December long. I'll put that link down in the description box down below if you want to hear me singing Christmas songs. Pretty rad. Anyways, okay, now, goodbye.